Welcome back. Welcome back. We are here for another session of the Forex basics. And in our last video, we learned how Forex prices move. Today, we're going to discuss the importance of leverage and margin. Okay. Leverage allows for you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. Okay. It amplifies both profits and losses. So using money from the broker to invest in a currency or a stock, it's super common in Forex market. It allows for you to basically place a more prominent position with the currency. Now, just as I just said, this can be a double-edged sword because yes, it can increase your profits, but it can equally increase your losses. So as a trader, you must learn how to leverage, how to manage leverage and employ proper risk management so that you can mitigate the potential for losses. Okay. For instance, leverage would be, let's say you have a 50-to-1 leverage. That would be basically, if you had an account of $10,000, you would be looking at 10,000 times 50. So you have a buying power of $500,000. Okay. You also want to understand margin. Okay. Margin is basically when you place a deposit into your trading account, this is the money that's used as collateral in tandem with the actual leverage that you choose in your account. So the loaned or the borrowed money is a percentage of the total capital that you have deposited into your account. Now, your trading platform will let you know exactly what percentage of margin you're using when you execute a trade. But the thing you want to be aware, you want to be very margin call. Okay, this occurs when your account balance falls below a certain level due to losses. Now, you want to have a responsible use or be responsible for how you use leverage, because using leverage in a way that could be irresponsible could totally blow out your account and put you in a position where you could owe your broker money. So it's very, very important for you to understand leverage and margin. And for you to be able to have better success as a trader, really understanding the amount of capital that you decide to use in your account and then how you're going to have proper risk management for that specific account. So in our next video, we're going to explore more of the different types of potential orders that you can place in your account. And I just want you to understand that trading does involve risk and you can lose money. So be prepared that any money that you place into a trading account is money that you are willing to lose. So please like, subscribe, share this information, and always remember that you're just one trade away. Okay. If you have an interest in getting involved in the Forex market, learning how to trade precisely, learning how to become a profitable person in the Forex market where you can make decisions based off of very specific ideas and technical patterns that show up in the market so that you can learn to position yourself and your family in a more advantageous financial situation later in life. Please check us out at vagranttradercollective.com. That's vagranttradercollective.com. You can check us out on Instagram at Vagrant Trading Academy, as well as at Vagrant Trader Insights. Thank you so much for joining. Can't wait to talk to you in our next video.